Producing major key signatures, an introduction. Our objectives for the lesson are to define what producing a key signature means, to introduce how many steps you will need to know and produce key signatures, and to introduce 2 key signatures you will need to memorize. Let's start with a definition. When we say produce a key signature, what do we mean? It's basically given a key, like the key of A, the key of A flat, the key of G flat, etc. What's in the key signature? So if I say, what's in the key of A major? That's what it means to produce a key signature. So let's talk a little bit about the steps and how we're going to do that. There are several videos that are in conjunction with this one, and for right now, we're going to do it in smaller chunks. So first, we're going to have to memorize 2 key signatures, and that's the first step of this whole key signature production process. We'll talk about that in this video. Then the next video will teach you a process for producing key signatures for any flat key signature. So anything that has flats in it will teach you how to produce that key signature. Then, of course, we're going to learn a process in another video for sharp key signatures. So if we give you a name of a key and we know it has sharps, you're going to figure out how many sharps are in it. And then, finally, we're going to have to differentiate or tell the difference between which process to use for which key signatures. Because right now, if I give you a key name, you might not know, like in the key of A major, is that sharps or flats? Some of you may know, some of you may not. By the end of this process, you'll know how to do that. And there will be 3 other videos to go with that. So let's start with the first step of the process. We need to memorize 2 key signatures. You just need to know them. One of them is the key of C major, which we've talked about in class. If I say what's in the key of C, at this point, I just need you to know. No sharps, no flats. That's C major. So memorize that and know it. And the other key, which we've also talked about in class, is the key of F major. I want you to know that that has 1 flat in it, the flat being B flat. All the other keys will fall into the process that we will be using. These 2 are the exceptions, so we're going to need to memorize them. And that's it. Thanks for watching.